let's be honest. Dating apps are trash, all right? You swipe, you match, you chat, and nothing, or worse, you get ghosted by someone who looks absolutely nothing like their photos. Ooh, I could do a whole video on filters. Oh man, I can spot the filters like this. Anyways, all of this sound familiar? Well, that's because dating apps are designed to help you lose. And in this video, I'll break down what is replacing dating apps and the 5 reasons why dating apps are trash. All right, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kane. I'm the Silver Bachelor. This channel is 100% dedicated to dating advice for older guys. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification button because I'm dropping videos every day. All right, let's get into this video. So, first, Western dating is rigged. And modern women in the West have endless options. And most of the women on those apps are only interested in the top 5 to 10% of men. Also, Western women find 80% of men unattractive. And the thing is, most of these women are average at best themselves. The standards are high. It doesn't make sense, I know, but this is the reality on dating apps. And to most men are invisible to most women. Second, the culture is broken. We're talking entitlement, zero accountability, women who are proud to be a boss babe in exchange for femininity, and a lot of men just at the end of the day just want a loyal, loving, and supporting partner. And in the West, good luck trying to find that. So, you're probably thinking, come on, man, Silver Bachelor. So what's replacing dating apps? Well, passport bros. American men who are trying to find love overseas. Maybe they want to move overseas with that person. Or they find love overseas and they want to bring that person over into the United States. Okay, that is what is replacing dating apps. If you want to find love overseas, then I recommend Filipino visa. Why Filipino visa? Because they can help you with the entire visa process from A to Z. Whether you want to live in the Philippines or bring your Filipina fiance or spouse to the United States, they can do it all. From the paperwork to the embassy interviews to getting the visas and the green card. Yep, all of that. So Filipino visa is specifically for American men looking to bring their loved ones to the United States, or they themselves are looking to move to the Philippines. So you might be thinking, well, Silver Bachelor, why the Philippines? Well, because the Philippines, clearly, it's a beautiful country. There's like over 7,000 islands, like white sandy there. Some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Not only that, probably in my opinion, the most important thing is pretty much everyone speaks English in the country. Women are traditional, they're family oriented, and if you move to the Philippines, you can live like a king, but for the fraction of the cost. So if you're sick and tired of trying to date Western women, then click on the link in the description and get started now with Filipino visa. All right, back to the video. Third, scams, fake accounts, they're all killing the dating apps. Man, so I was married before 20 years and I've been single for 3 years. I tried all the dating apps, guys, all of them. And look, I'm not like a Chad or anything like that, but I some success depending on the apps and things like that. However, what happens is that you're going through, and now I've done it so many times, I can spot out the fake accounts and the scams like so easy. That's why dating apps are also dying. Your time dodging bots, catfishes, and of course, scammers. Number 4, men want traditional values again. Overseas women are not trying to compete with you. They're trying to connect with you and have a meaningful connection. The ones that are not the scammers, of course. There's a huge difference. The respect, the loyalty, the femininity, and that all still exists. It's just most likely not going to be in the United States or probably in the country that you live. Number 5, you can build a better life overseas, right? Plain and simple. The cost of living is way lower than the United States. Some guys are finding peace, love, and financial freedoms in countries like the Philippines. And it all starts, though, with meeting the right woman who actually wants you and a connection. So dating apps are dying because men are ultimately evolving and they're realizing, This is a waste of time and a waste of money. So if you're done playing the games, then maybe it's time to look beyond the borders. So thank you for watching, and I encourage you to click on the link in the description to check out Filipino Visa today.